But although his guest means here rat trap seller, was now so well groomed. So well groomed means well raised. The iron master did not seem pleased. Pleased means happy. Iron master was not looking very happy. Why? Because iron master could see the face of rat trap seller. And iron master understood immediately that that person was not his old close friend, but he was some different person. And that's why the iron master became very angry and he was not happy. Iron master became so angry that he gave warning to the rat trap seller that he would call a sheriff and he would send the rat trap seller there in the jail. Indirectly he said this thing. Sheriff means kind of we can say policeman. It is not. Now let us see some dialogues. Rat trap seller said to the iron master that it is not my fault, sir. And rat trap seller argued. And at the end, what happened? But now get out of here. The iron master was so angry that he did not listen any argument of rat trap seller, and he said, "But now get out of here as fast as you can." The young girl, but at that time, the daughter of iron master, she was very kind. She had a kind of sympathy with the rat trap seller. So she came there and she did not want that the rat trap seller should leave their home. So she came there and what she had done, let us see. The young girl took the stranger means here rat trap seller. The young girl took the stranger by the hand and led him to the table. Table means here dining table. Now sit down and eat, she said. So here the behavior of the daughter was very good. Here you can find the contradiction. A paradox between two characters. One, the character of iron master. Another is the character of iron master's daughter. There is a big difference in the attitudes of both the characters. As soon as, and not only that, but they also gave some, she also gave some gifts to the rat trap seller. And she was so intelligent that she was trying to manage all the situation, all the things. As soon as they got up from the table, he went around to each one present and said thank you. Now the rat trap seller was telling thank you and he was collecting the gifts which were given by the iron master and his daughter. As soon as they got up from the table, he went around, he means here rat trap seller. He went around to each one present and said thank you and good night. But when he came to the young girl, she gave him to understand that it was her father's intention. Now what this girl was telling? She was telling to the rat trap seller that in reality it was the intention of her father. That the suit which he wore was to be a Christmas present because they had given a suit. That suit belonged with iron master. So the daughter was telling that the suit which he wore was to be a Christmas present. She indirectly she wanted to say to the red seller that he could keep that suit as a gift of Christmas, because Christmas is a very holy day and holy festival for Christian people. They give gifts to the poor people also during this time. The suit which he wore was to be a Christmas present. He did not have to return it, and there was no need to return it back, she said. And if he wanted to spend next Christmas Eve means evening, not only this, but see the generosity of this girl. She also said that he did not have to return it, and if he wanted to spend next Christmas Eve, he would be welcome again. That means here you can find very good behavior and very positive attitude of the daughter of iron master. That is the main point. The daughter had also doubt that iron master was looking like a thief, yeah, that type of person. Still, however, her behavior was very good. I hope you understand this much.